In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Chime branches and ATMs near you. Now, if you're a Chime user, it's important to understand how you can easily access your funds. Chime operates a bit differently than traditional banks since it doesn't have any physical branches, but don't worry, you can still access your money conveniently through Chime's network of partner ATMs. First things first, Chime operates entirely online, which means you won't find any brick and mortar branches like you might with other banks. This unique aspect helps Chime keep its operational costs low and pass on those savings to you, the customer. Instead of physical branches, Chime offers robust mobile banking services paired with a vast network of fee-free ATMs to ensure you can manage your money with ease. Next, since Chime doesn't operate its own ATMs, you can access cash through Chime's extensive partner network. This network is designed to give you easy access to your funds without the hassle of fees. Using these partner ATMs, you can withdraw cash, check your balances, and conduct a variety of other banking transactions without incurring additional costs. Always make sure to confirm that an ATM is part of the network to avoid any surprises. Now, let's get right to how you can find a fee-free ATM. Start by navigating to the ATM Finder tab. You can access this feature through the Chime mobile app or by logging into your Chime account on a computer. It's a straightforward process. Once you're logged in, just look for the ATM locator function, which is usually prominently displayed on the home page or in the navigation menu. Once you're in the ATM Finder, you'll need to enter your zip code. This is crucial because it helps the Finder tool display ATMs that are closest to your current location. Input your zip code accurately to get the most reliable results, ensuring that you won't have to go far to find a convenient ATM. After entering your zip code, you'll see a map displaying all the available ATMs in your area. This visual tool is incredibly helpful because it provides a clear idea of where you can go to perform your transactions. The map will show you the ATM locations in proximity to your specified zip code, and usually you can also get additional details like operating hours directly from the app or website. And there you have it. Even though Chime doesn't have physical branches, with these steps you can easily find enough fee-free ATMs in your area to suit your banking needs. It's a seamless way to make your everyday banking experience as smooth as possible. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more great tips.